All right, so we got this cool bike lock here, right? This is the keys. And this is the carrier for it. Carrier. You attach this to your bike. It has a little hole here, a little hole there. You can screw it into your bike. Also has the strap. So you can strap it in. Also a strap, okay. Yeah. I'm guessing you could put the Velcro through there. You know, and then strap it around your bike. Instructions are right here. But I'm not really too worried about the this, because I was gonna just screw it in on my bike, because where the water bottle is. But I don't know. Now that I see the straps, maybe I might do that. Anyway, let me show you the lock. So the lock, it's like, what is it? Hexagon. Hexagon shape. Turn it, and it pops open like that, right? So then to open it up, you come back here. That one is the one that kind of, so you just pop that out, and then it just unravels. All right. So it unravels. You got yourself a nice little chain, and then to lock it, you put it in that little groove, and then you just press it, and it's locked. Now the material, it's really weird. They say it's like very tough, but it's kind of like a plastic, but inside the plastic is a metal. So I don't know how tough it is to break into. I'm kind of curious though. Kind of curious as to what it would need to break into. You know, but I don't know. I plan on using 2 locks anyway, just for double protection. But I would use this one. I plan on using for like a quick, you know, quick lockup. But I don't think I would use this for like if a long period stay. Like say I'm gonna lock a bike up for, you know, a couple of days or whatever. You know, yeah, I don't know if I would use just this. Anyways, so then to put it back, you just go around and around and around and around and around. Right. I'm sure you could do it quicker than me. You know, I'm just doing it. I'm trying to check out the camera while I do this. There you go. And then when you get to the end over here, this part, you slide into that groove right there. Uh-oh. Yeah, you just slide it in there like that, and then you lock it, and it's locked. Oops. You slide it into the groove, and you're good to go. I guess it doesn't lock. Huh, that's good to know. I thought it locked. So let me see if it'll lock now that the lock is pressed in. Now see, you can see inside the bolt. It's not gonna lock. I gotta unlock it. Yeah, there it is. put it in there and then lock it. But first I gotta take out the key. And there it is, good to go.